What's going on, y'all? We doing greens today, y'all. Turnip greens. Meatless Monday. In full effect, y'all. And guess what? We putting them turnip bottoms in there too, y'all. It's gonna be so tasty. No meat required on this one, y'all. You know what time it is. Let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna grab our turnip bottom and we're gonna cut off both ends, y'all. Both ends. Now if you got any bad spots in your turnip, this would be the time to go ahead and cut those off too. Now I have 3 cloves of garlic here. We're just gonna give them a quick whack. And then we're gonna dice those right on up, y'all. Now also, we're gonna need us onion, y'all. So we using 1 whole medium onion. We simply gonna peel and then give it a little choppy chop. Once we get our onion cut up, we're gonna go ahead and peel our turnip right quick. Now on our turnip, we're just gonna give this a good dice. Now me, I'm not gonna make them the same size, only because I like the difference in the texture once everything's done. Now next we're gonna get to our pot, which I've already added 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're gonna get our onions and garlic on into the pot and get those started. We're gonna give those a quick mixy mix. As they come up and get a little color on them, as soon as they get color, like this, y'all, it's time to go ahead and add in our turnip bottom. And we're gonna give that a quick mix. And of course, you know we got a rain on. Gotta hit them with a little salt, a little pepper, so let's go ahead and give this a quick mixy mix. And we're gonna go ahead and simmer this on low for about 5 minutes. Now during this 5 minutes, make sure that you're giving a stir every now and then so everything comes together so good and so tasty. And after those 5 minutes pass, we're gonna come in with 1 12-ounce beer. Now you can use any beer of your choice, or you don't have to use beer at all. You can use water if that's what you prefer. But that beer will bring you another layer of flavor, y'all. Now after we get our beer in, of course, we gotta give it a mix and mix. And now to this, we're gonna add 2 cups of water. So now we're gonna set our eye to medium and let this simmer. And while that's simmering, we're gonna go ahead and start on our turnip greens. Now I've already washed these. Now these them turnip greens you seen in the garden, y'all. First cook on them. They look good too. They good and tender. Young leaves. Woo-wee. I already know this gonna be tasty, y'all. But anyway, we simply just gonna chop these up, stem and all. Now, you can remove the stem if you want to, but hey, that stem holds a lot of nutrients, y'all. A lot of good nutrients. It's really good for you. But anyway, let's go ahead and get our greens inside our boiling water with them turnip bottoms. And hey, it won't be long now, y'all. It won't be long at all. Oh my goodness, look at them greens. Don't they look so pretty? Now we're gonna go ahead and give this a mix. After they start wilting down a bit, just slowly getting those unwilted greens to the bottom of the pot, so we can all start cooking on down. And yeah, we at that finish line now, y'all. Look at those, don't they look good? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Me and wifey tore these greens up, y'all. Tore them up. And that natural flavor from that turnip bottom gave it so much more extra flavor. Oh yeah. This will be a staple in our home for here on out. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.